peeps, welcome to another video with me and my daddy. Today we are doing part 2 of this Lego Blizzard. So now let's choose the town, and this is 48 hours later from last Blizzard, okay? Here's the town, and as you can see, the power has been fixed. And this is News 71 here, back again. Today we are having a better day than 2 days ago, and as you can see, the road has been plowed, but be careful driving because the snow is still fluffy. And also the damage cost was $500,000, and power outages were over 100,000 people were reported without power. News 71 out. I'm gonna put in the snow. First, let me get my snow suit on. I think it's here. I can get it's right there. Yes, okay. I'm gonna jump on the door. Yes, I'm on the roof now. Woo! Yeah! I'm gonna do that trick shot again. This time higher. Woo! Boom! Whoa! I fell in the fluffy snow, bounced off, and went flying. I gotta walk back. I'm done. Okay, thank you all peeps for watching, and I'll see you all later. Bye.